Tired of heat damage but crave gorgeous curls? Discover the Kitsch Satin Heatless Curling Set. Your secret to stunning, damage-free waves overnight. Say goodbye to frizz and breakage. This revolutionary heatless hair curler uses gentle satin to create salon-worthy results without a single hot tool. Designed for ultimate comfort, its 34-inch satin rod is perfect as hair curlers to sleep in, so you wake up to perfectly formed, no-heat curls effortlessly. Imagine getting ready in minutes because your hair styled itself while you dreamt. That's the magic of this overnight blowout rod. The complete set includes one luxurious satin curling rod and 2 matching scrunchies, making securing your hair quick and gentle. Simply spend 5 minutes wrapping your hair around the rod before bed, and let the Kitsch set do all the work while you rest. Unlike flimsy alternatives, Kitsch delivers trusted quality and an original design, ensuring your investment in beautiful, healthy hair pays off. Ready for frizz-free, beautiful hair every morning? You can find the Kitsch Satin Heatless Curling Set directly on Amazon. Check the link in the description. It's truly the best heatless curler for achieving effortless overnight curls, perfect for busy mornings or as a thoughtful gift. Transform your hair routine and get yours today. Your locks will thank you.